Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a project from a template in Zoho Projects. All right. Now, if you haven't created a project template yet, you can go ahead and check it out on the channel. We have a separate video for it. Now, in this video, again, we're going to create a project from a template. So just go to projects like so, click on new project. Now, let's just go ahead and scroll down. Okay. And here we have the project template section, or you can go to the tabs right here, click on project templates. Okay, as you can see here, I have created two. So I'm just going to go ahead and select template YT project. Click on use right here, wait for it to load. And now you just give it a name. For example, new from a template. Okay, the owner right here will be copied and the template as well. Okay, give it a project group. Like so, scroll down, enter the project start date. And by the way, the description and the work try folder or its settings will be copied as well as the tags and business hours and the currency and the tabs related. But the project access will be different. So just go ahead and select one, head on add right here. And the new project will be created in about 2 to 3 minutes. And as you can see here, as fast as that, we now have the new project from a template. Click on projects right here and check it out. There you go. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.